Every day, millions of people spend hours communicating on platforms like ChatGPT, forums, and collaboration tools. Hidden inside all these conversations is a vast ocean of knowledge: who we are, what we know, how we think, and what we dream to build. But today, this information is fragmented. It sits in silos. One person solves a problem in isolation, while somewhere else, another person holds the missing piece of the puzzle, and they never meet. Humanity loses millions of opportunities for breakthroughs every single day. What if there was a way to connect all of this? To map human knowledge, skills, and personalities into a single living system. To let people and AI work together as one giant brain. This is the vision behind our open-source project, an AI-powered collaboration engine that transforms human communication into a structured, living map of who we are and what we can achieve together. Here's how it works. When you export your data, conversations, work notes, research, or code, the system analyzes it. It learns your skills, your knowledge depth, your personality traits, even your cognitive strengths. It represents you as a rich vector profile, a digital reflection of your mind in multidimensional space. Do this for millions of people, and you get a massive human network where every person isn't just a profile picture, but a detailed map of their potential. Now comes the powerful part. The AI doesn't just say, "Here are people like you." Instead, it asks, "Who could you achieve the most with?" It clusters complementary people together: the thinker with the builder, the visionary with the problem solver, the scientist with the engineer. If you're stuck on a problem, the system can recommend someone who's already solved it elsewhere. If you have a bold idea but lack resources, it brings together people with the exact missing skills. It creates self-organizing teams, each formed not by luck or chance, but by design. Think of it as an AI product manager at planetary scale. It manages thousands of people across different components of a project. It assigns roles, tracks progress, and feeds relevant knowledge exactly when you need it. And here's the magic. Every new piece of knowledge created by these collaborations, every solution, every insight, every design, is stored back into the system, so the collective intelligence grows richer, smarter, and more powerful with every use. Imagine what this means. A lone student in a village could instantly collaborate with world-class researchers. A startup founder could assemble a global team in hours, not years. Problems in science, medicine, and technology could be solved faster than ever before because the missing connections are finally made. This isn't just another platform. It's a new layer of civilization, a global brain where humans and AI co-create. An open-source system that doesn't just connect us, but actually coordinates us to achieve what no individual, no company, and no nation could do alone. This is our vision, a world where human potential is fully connected, where ideas don't die in isolation, but find the people who can bring them alive, where every question finds its answer, and where the collective intelligence of humanity is guided by AI to build a better future. We're building this as open source because the future of human collaboration shouldn't belong to a single company, it should belong to all of us. Join us, let's build the global brain together.